Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Here in front of me Epson device, and now I can show you how to print on the Epson, in my case L3160, using the iPhone. So to do it, you need to find any document you want to print. For example, I have created a document in Word application with text "Hi" and "Welcome." And now I wanna print it. To print it, you need to click print, then choose AirPrint if you want. And AirPrint is the iOS printing tool. So any document you wanna print will be printed using the AirPrint. But now is the very important point. We need to connect to the same Wi-Fi network as our printer connected. My printer is connected to HR Wi-Fi 2.4 and I have connected to the HR Wi-Fi 2.4 too. And now in printers I can see all printers connected to this Wi-Fi network. In my case it's 3 printers. My office printer Samsung, office printer HP Color LaserJet Pro, and this printer Epson L3160 series. So click on it, create file, and click print. Just wait. As you can see, printer is printing. And great! Document was successfully printed. As you can see what we have here. Hi and welcome. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.